Let's see what we get from the garden this morning. If you haven't seen these before, these are the produce boxes we use to carry everything in our garden. We got some blackberries. And if you didn't know, blackberries come in clusters. And these ones with brown spots, they're nothing to worry about. Those are just from sunspots from the sun. Oh my God, look at this big one right here. And these are our Primark Traveler varieties. The good thing is they produce twice a year. And these right here is where they're flowering again. So we'll have some more berries here shortly. And I just ran out of room with our first container of blackberries. And have almost filled up another container. Got 2 containers just from just one row right here. And I still got this row to pick. And this is the other side of our produce box. This is where it's not fun having blackberries up against the fence because you got to go all the way in to grab these. Is it me or am I the only gardener that likes walking barefooted? I feel 10 times better when I walk barefooted on the ground. Well, I ended up getting 3 blackberry containers full of blackberries. And the way I look at picking blackberries is I just say $15 because groceries are getting expensive. Looks like I got a zucchini ready to harvest out of our self-wicking tub containers. But first, let's say good morning to Ori here. Good morning, Ori. Cut this right on off. Take it right off the plant. Also gonna grab us a few spinach leaves. I only want enough to fill up a Ziploc bag today. And put that right on in there and let's get some peppers. Grab this pepper right here and just pull this right on off. They look good. I'm running out of room. Grab a few jalapenos. And that's a huge one. I think that's enough for today. And that right there is $20 at least that I've saved from not going to the grocery store. So go ahead and grow your own food.